Hi, it's Kerry. Today I'm talking about horses. There'll be lots of fun and interesting facts. And I've got some other animals here. My pigs, 2 turkeys, a cow, a goat, another cow, my dog. You can see a duck there, a swan with her cygnets, a black sheep, and my cats. Give a thumbs up if you like horses and farm animals. Can you tell me how many turkeys in today's video? The reared up black stallion. This is a great pose. Horses can doze and enter light sleep while standing. Lying down makes an animal more vulnerable to predators. They can lock their knees and fall asleep standing up without falling over. Horses must lie down to reach a deep sleep, which is called REM sleep. They only need to lie down for an hour or two every few days to do this. REM is short for rapid eye movement sleep. Horses sleep better when in groups because some animals sleep while others will stand guard to watch for predators. Horses have around 205 bones in their skeleton. They have bigger eyes than any other mammal that lives on land. If you can help with translations, I would really appreciate any help you can give me. Thank you. The Knabstrupper Mare. The Knabstrupper breed originated from Denmark in 1812. A chestnut mare with leopard complex blanket markings was bred to a solid coloured stallion, producing a colt with dramatic spotting. I love those spots. The mare and her son were each bred to many other horses, producing many offspring with spotting and establishing the Knabstrupper as a breed. The breed almost died out due to problems with inbreeding. It was saved when in 1971 a breeder brought Appaloosa stallions to Denmark to add to the new blood in the breed's lines. The Knabstrupper foal. This is so cute. Appaloosa and the Knabstrupper share the same colour gene called the leopard complex that causes the spotted coat patterns. The Knabstrupper breed arrived in America in 2002. Foals can run shortly after birth. The horse's large eyes are on the side of their head, giving them a wide range of vision. The Mustang Stallion. What a magnificent looking horse. Wild Mustangs live in large herds on the grasslands. The herd consists of 1 stallion, about 8 females and their young. The herd is led by a female horse or mare and a stallion that is over 6 years of age. In dangerous situations, the head mare will lead her herd to safety and the stallion will stay and fight. Herds spend most of their time grazing on grasses and brush, though it is not unusual to see them playing or snuggling together for a nap. The Mustang is known for its intelligence and independent spirit, but can be very obedient if trained well and tamed by patient and experienced handlers. The Mustang Mare. Mustangs are descendants of Spanish or Iberian horses that came to America in the 16th century. The name comes from the Spanish word mustango, which means stray horse. They are an actual breed, not just a wild horse. These horses bred with other types of horses, including quarter horses and draft horses, to create the breed we know today. The early settlers liked these horses because they had good endurance and could run fast. Notice the strong muscular legs. In the Wild West, cowboys would catch, tame and sell Mustangs. These cowboys were called Mustang runners. The Mustang foal. The foals are born well before winter so they have time to grow before the cold months of the year. Mustangs are a medium-sized breed of horse. They have a wide variety of colours. Most common is the bay, which is a reddish-brown, or sorrel, which is a chestnut colour, as well as a variety of colours. They can also have patches, spots and stripes. In the wild, Mustangs can live up to 40 years. Hurt or disabled horses are protected by the herd and can live remarkably long lives when compared with other animal species that live in the wild. Mustangs have no natural predators. I really like the Mustang breed. Remember to tell me how many turkeys in today's video. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay right on here at Super Fun Reviews for more great videos. See you again soon. Please subscribe and share my video on any of the social media platforms that you might like to visit. Thanks once again.